Have you ever wondered about the mysteries of universe? SEDS Nepal is a group of passionate students and young professionals who are dedicated to exploring space and advancing the field of space science and technology right here in Nepal. Our members come from diverse backgrounds, but we share a common love for wonders of the cosmos. Through our workshops, talks, and events, we aim to educate and inspire the next generation of space enthusiasts.
Being part of SEDS Nepal has given me the opportunity to explore my love for space and technology. It's amazing to be part of a community that's making a difference.
SEDS Nepal provides a platform for Nepali students to participate in international space projects and competitions.
We collaborate with international organizations to give Nepali students the chance to participate in global space projects and competitions. We are not just dreaming of the future, we are building it.
Whether you are a space enthusiast or just curious about the universe, SEDS Nepal welcomes you to join us on our mission to explore the cosmos and push the boundaries of space science and technology.
Join us on our journey to explore the universe. SEDS Nepal, students for the exploration and development of space in Nepal.